Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about derivative increment. So now I will show you how to answer. We have this function in here. So the first thing on the left, we need to put about delta y. On the right, we need to put about delta x next to variable in here. Next, I will put y go to the right. Next, we know that y equals to this one. Next, we need to divide both sides by delta x. Next, we put the limit with delta x approach to number 0 for the both sides. Now, I will concentrate about this one only. So, we apply the formula in here. So, this is about A, this is about B. To create about A squared minus B squared, we need to multiply by A plus B on numerator and denominator. So because I want to cancel about the square root, that's why we need to have the power 2 in here. So we need to multiply on numerator and denominator. So this one is about A minus B multiplied by A plus B. So we will have about this one minus this one. After we put the power 2 on the square root, so we change the sign of this one. So x minus x we cancel. Now I will put about delta x next to negative with the square root of x. Now we apply the same formula in here. But this one is about A, this one is about B. So A plus B in here. Now we need to multiply by A minus B on numerator and denominator. So for this one, we have about x plus delta x minus this one with the power 2 in here. Now we need to expand this one. You got about delta x squared minus number 2 delta x with the square root of x plus x because the square root of x with the power 2 you got about x. Now we need to open parenthesis of this one. You got about negative delta x squared plus 2 delta x with the square root of x minus x. Next, x minus x we cancel. Next, we divide by delta x for this one. Now, when delta x approaches to number 0, this one you got about 0, 0, 0, 0, and 0. So negative with negative, you got about positive. So this one plus this one, you got about number 2. Similar for this one. And now, this is the final answer. And that is the final answer of the question in here. That is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is about the full answer of the question in here.